Hello. While each and every sunrise literally marks the beginning of a new day, it also reminds us that we, too, can start fresh with a good attitude, positivity, and gratitude. The best healing rays are on average between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m., and 15 minutes will do it. Being active between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. is great for morning exercise. However, this should be done with a bit more protective wear from the sun. The benefits of getting healing rays in the morning are: it helps you to improve your sleep. Your body creates a hormone called melatonin that is critical to helping you sleep. Because your body starts producing it when it's dark, you usually start to feel sleepy 2 hours after the sun sets, which is one of the reasons our bodies naturally stay up later in the summer. It helps to reduce stress. Healing rays also maintain strong bones. One of the best and easiest ways to get vitamin D is by being outside. Our bodies produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. And since vitamin D helps your body maintain calcium and prevents brittle, thin, or misshapen bones, soaking in the sun may be just what the doctor ordered. Sunshine boosts your body's level of serotonin, which is a chemical that improves your mood and helps you stay calm and focused. Increased exposure to natural light may help ease the symptoms of seasonal affective disorder, a change in mood that typically occurs in the fall and winter months when there are fewer hours of daylight. So either get indoor light to look at, or also get outside even in the winter and get indirect sunlight even if it's overcast. This is a great time in the morning for reflection. This is a wonderful time for healing, contemplation, and alignment. We hope you enjoyed this video.